Today was really sweet because my boyfriend decided to cook my favorite Korean meal. And it's just really nice because when we're so busy with everyday things and we get to cook for each other like this, it's just a nice, pleasant surprise. And it's nice that we can communicate with the various foods and small things that we like. And as I'm getting older, I'm starting to realize like that's what's actually meaningful about life. And I thought I'd show you a snippet of it. Hello guys, it's Sunday. So today is just going to be a chill day. Earlier we switched out some winter clothes for summer clothes because it's getting hot. It's finally like summer, I think, officially in Korea. And we're gonna go to Home Plus. It's interesting because I've never went shopping consistently at Home Plus before. I've always kind of gone to like E-Mart, which is like the Korean Walmart, and like local grocers. I've never been to Home Plus. I guess Home Plus would be equivalent to like Target. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So it's gonna be a chill, productive day. Yesterday we had a nice little date night, and then today is just going to be like running errands and doing things like that because tomorrow is Monday, unfortunately. But I am glad that it's summer. It's not quite like disgustingly hot yet, although we're getting there. But anyway, I can't wait to just get these errands done. I kind of just want to finish the day early so I can like chill, like watch TV and just mentally prepare for tomorrow, which is Monday. We all love Mondays, right? It's the best day of the week. Period. This is just going to the grocery store fashion. It's giving daddy. And to be fair, I'm dressed like a mom today too. Yo, we're dressed like someone's dad and mom. Crocs, like big Crocs. Because sometimes my feet needs to breathe and I need to get like comfortable shoes. But the problem is, all the cutesy stuff doesn't come in my size.
Hey, actually, I saw this character, right?
That's Cinnamon Roll. It's one of the Sanryu characters. Like, they have like cute characters. Look at this. How cute are, like, I want these. But it's a 250 and a 2...
Normally the first thing, 250
50 is the maximum. 250 is like a size, a US size 8.5, 9. And I wear a US 10. So I can never wear cute shoes in Korea because they never have my size. I have to wear like men's.
Your thing is here, the men's corner.
Yeah, I have to wear the men's size. Like, look how cute these are. But I can never wear them. I have to wear this. This is not as cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute this is. Look how cute that is. Like, that's the thing. That's why I always end up having to buy shoes from the States, because I can't buy shoes in Korea. Sneakers is fine. Usually sneakers is fine, but everything else I can't. Like, look how cute that cinnamon roll slipper was. That could have been cute. And now I can't be. But this is Home Plus, so it has everything from shoes. Yeah, this is like, you know, all the Haitian uncles, they wear shoes like this. I like this actually. That's cool. I like those.
I have Nike.
It's just a car brand, but in Korea they wear Jeep as like a clothing line, like a fashion brand. That's interesting. But anyway, they have all sorts of things. Like pajamas. I don't mind getting like a pair of summer pajamas. Babe, we should get matching pajamas. How about couples? I'm always trying to buy new stuff. How about couples pajamas?
Hey, how about this one? This color.
This color is not my skin color. They have ones. Oh. See, I don't even try this too. This couldn't even fit one of mine. Yeah, so certain things like shoes, bras, underwear, I just get those from the States because it's not worth it, like trying to get it here, honestly. What? You don't know I'm Haitian. No matter what, some comfy muumuus are essential. You think I'm crazy? Listen, you don't know, babe. That's so funny. Korean culture is similar to Haitian culture sometimes. You need the muumuus to stay in the house when you got things to get done. Heck yeah. Can I bounce this inside here? Can I do?
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
I don't know. What you know about this? This is Jordan.
Next time?
Next time.
There's table tennis.
What's that? Oh, ping pong.
Yeah.
Ping pong.
How about you want a badminton together?
You're going to destroy me in badminton. But yeah, let's try it.
Wow, it's full.
Guys, I'm hoping that this is actual flamin' hot and not like a Korean version, because that would make me so sad. They have Doritos in Korea, but it's like Korean style, but I'm hoping this is...
Wow, it's full. When you buy everything like this.
I think it's the way we put it in the cart.
Wow.
It's so rich. Okay, my baby. What are you making?
Some mushroom and the garlic and soy sauce a little bit. That's all.
He's just sauteing. We say saute, I think. He's sauteing mushrooms. Yum, 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 yum. We got a really good deal on mushrooms. Yeah. Babe, these things, they have a name. Like, they have a name for the leaves.
Yeah, every leaf has name.
No. I mean, like, do they call it samgyeopsal wraps? You know, like, do they have a name that people say? It doesn't matter whatever kind of leaf. All of the leaves, they have one name when you eat it with the meat.
모든 채소?
Whatever this is. I don't know the English name. They call it a mangosteen. Oh, they call it a mangosteen.
Mangosteen is English.
Oh. Anyway, this fruit I've never had before, but he says that it's one of his favorites, so I want to try it. Let's see how it tastes. That looks like it could be good.
In Myanmar, it's just how much mistake.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Bite a little bit here.
Bite it? Wait. Oh. Okay.
No.
Just try it.
It's white. White. It has seed. You have to chook like that.
Oh.
Oh, it's not like that. You have to, everything's like, and, No, don't touch this part. Just touch. Yeah, it's like that. It's clean, right? It's like, just like vacuum. Right? Don't touch the toe.
Okay. It's good.
And the speed, yeah, the speed.
It's good. Better than I thought. It's delicious. Yeah. But why did they call it a mangosteen?
It's just a name. I don't know. It's English.
It's connected to mangoes or what?
So Myanmar, Thailand, what they call mangosteen too. So everywhere is mangosteen. I don't know. People make the name.
It is good. It's like addictive. Yeah. It's delicious. I've never had that
You
before.
have to eat quickly because it's already hard.
Oh.
Wow, it's
Thank you, baby, for the beautiful dinner. Thank you, baby, for the dinner.
You're welcome.
It was delicious. And samgyeopsal is my favorite Korean food. So.
Um,
Yeah, it looks delicious.